Why this sound like it have an undertone? You're talking about something else. You're talking about Tony, right?
No undertone. It's just all the way over. But anyways, yeah, how's business with Tony?
Well, we are trying to acquire the property, but the people they're having second thoughts or they're holding off on the sale. So that's the hiccup right there.
So what could be the real reason for that?
Honestly, I don't know. I think, well, there's a lot of violence happening there from what is understood, but then the violence quelled down and then it flare up again. So it's a whole heap of unforeseen things that just holding the project, it's starting the project right now. But Tony believe him can get everything done in the time that we need to.
Interesting. But have you or Tony spoken to the owners to see why they're no longer motivated to sell? Because there could be something else that's driving that.
Well, honestly, when it comes to that side, acquiring the property, I leave that up to Tony. My department is the building. That's my strength. So I'm leaving that up to him.
Yo, Siva, if them not sell by persuasion, make we do it by force. Yeah, man. That. Yo, I'm gonna talk back to you there. I have something more important to deal with.
That's the problem, Carlton. You're also fully invested in this project, so you need to put your foot down and stand up and speak out as well. You can't leave all of this up to Tony.
I hear you, and I appreciate your concern. But on a lighter note, I'm also in the process of acquiring another property in Runaway Bay,
Wow.
beachfront. It's very beautiful. So I guess we could go there one of these days.
Well,
Have another rendezvous.
well, if you promise to keep your promise this time, then of course.
All right. I'm going to start up, but it's really nice. I wonder if I let me show you. Glad for the surprise. You should do it more often.
I'll try, but remember how it works.
I know. So where's the taxi?
I called it. Should be on his way.
You sure you want to carry him?
like a whopper piece of a puzzle fall smack in my lap. So Miss Celine. Carlton Wallace. It's either you know or you lose your touch. Or you want to just try get to me. The woman you want secret agent. Get down to the bottom of this.